to about 50% of people that currently dial 999 in emergency could be treated at home by a new breed of paramedic, an emergency care practitioner who's been trained with the skills they need to treat and discharge on scene rather than rushing people to hospital. Here at the Royal College of Art, we're presenting 2 years' worth of research funded by the EPSRC to look at enabling technologies for them to do just that. The design project here at the RCA was split into urban and rural environments. This design is for rural, isolated environments where a hospital may be many miles and many minutes to reach, which could be critical in an emergency situation. It's an off-road vehicle that's designed with a high ground clearance and a one-piece chassis with interchangeable pods that can carry more equipment or more medics should they be required. Ambulances of the future may not have to travel at such high speed and trauma truck like they do today. This vehicle has actually been designed so that it has an interchangeable pod on the back which could carry out things like screening, immunisation or x-ray, for example, and be left on scene for the paramedics to do their job. While some of the projects here at the RCA you could imagine on the roads very soon, others are much more extreme. This is an example of a blue sky project. The core essence of this vehicle design is speed. It's engineered to drive as fast off-road as on-road, and once on scene, an ejector-type seat is activated to launch the paramedic with all the kit and equipment they need into the thick of the action. What these RCA projects demonstrate is the range of possible future directions for the next generation of ambulance, and we think that with the right funding, this project could deliver a testable vehicle within the next 4 years.